In this video, we are going to be working with 0 and a 1 as an exponent. All right. So if we look at this example, we got 2 cubed, which is 8, divided by 2 squared, which is 4, and 8 divided by 4 is 2. If you notice, it's the same as these bases. Okay. So the bases are the same, we're dividing. So if I subtract it, so if I take 2, keep the base, and take the 2 exponents, subtract them, I get 1. And therefore, 2 to the first power is equal to 2. All right? All right, any number to the power 1 equals itself. So 8 to the first power is equal to 8. So anything to the first power is itself. All right, that's pretty self-explanatory. All right. Now, what happens if you look here, the bases are the same. All right. So that means I subtract the exponent. So I subtracted them right here, and I get a 0. Well, what's 5 to the 0? Well, let's look at this example now. We know 5 squared is 25. Divided by 5 squared is 25. 25 divided by itself is 1. So what this is saying, anything divided by itself is always 1. All right. So anytime you have 5 to the 0 power, not 5, if you have anything to the 0 power, it's always going to equal to 1. All right. So 8 to 0 is 1. 10 to the 0 is 1. 3.14 to the 0 is 1. E to the 0 is 1. Pi to the 0 is 1. All right? Doesn't matter what the base is. If the exponent is 0, then the whole thing will equal to 1. All right, so let's do some examples. 43, 0 power, so it's 1. Power is 1, so therefore whatever the base is. Now this is 4 to 0 is 1, plus 4 to the first power is 4, and 1 plus 4 gives me 5. All right, 46. Look here, everything in the parentheses is to the 0 power, so that means everything in here will go to 1. Now 47, we have 2. Now everything inside the parentheses here is to the 0 power, so that means it gives me 1. So 2 times 1 is 2. All right, so all what I need to do is pause the video and do 48 through 52, and when you're done, hit play and then compare your answers. All right, so this gives me 1. This gives me 10. This is 6 plus 1, which is 7. This gives me 1. And this is 3x to the 5th times 1. So this is 3x to the 5th.